In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drop a collection using OpenSea Studio. Start by opening your browser and heading to OpenSea.io. Once the homepage loads, look to the left sidebar and click Studio. This is OpenSea's creator workspace, designed to help you build, customize, and launch collections without writing code, all in one place. Inside Studio, click Create New to start a fresh project. This opens the setup flow for your collection and gets you ready to deploy the contract that will power it. At this stage, you'll also see tools for planning a scheduled drop. Scheduling is great if you want your mint to open at a specific date and time, coordinate with a community announcement, or align with a marketing push. You can choose a time now or return to this later. The option stays available in your drop settings. Just make sure you note the time zone to avoid confusion. Next, select Create Collection. This is where your contract and collection details begin. Start by adding your collection image. You can click to upload or simply drag and drop a file from your computer. When your file picker opens, choose the image you want and click Open. A clean, high-resolution square image works best so your logo looks sharp across devices and platforms. Common formats like PNG and JPG are ideal. Now, give your collection a name. Pick something clear, memorable, and on brand. Avoid unusual characters that might render inconsistently, and keep it short enough to scan quickly. This is the name collectors will see everywhere, so make it count. Enter the token symbol next. This is the short ticker for your contract, usually 3 to 8 uppercase letters, and it appears in wallets and on block explorers. Choose a concise identifier and double-check the spelling and length. Symbols are part of your contract details and are not something you'll want to change later. Choose your chain. Select the blockchain where your collection will live. Consider your audience and fees. Some networks have lower gas costs and faster confirmations, while others may have broader collector familiarity. Once deployed, the chain is permanent for that contract. When everything looks good, click Publish Contract. Review the summary carefully, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. You'll pay a network fee to deploy. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted for an authentication code or an additional confirmation step. Complete that verification to finish deployment. After publishing, your collection appears in Studio, ready for item management, mint settings, and scheduling. Verify your logo, name, symbol, and chain, and you're set. That's how to drop a collection using OpenSea Studio.